Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to install GNS3 software in Apple MacBook Pro, where the chip version is M3 and the macOS version is Sonoma 14.5. As you can see from GNS3 website, the latest GNS3 client version for Mac is 2.2.48.1. We are going to use same MacBook Pro for both GNS3 server as well as for GNS3 client. It is highly recommended to use the same software version for both GNS3 server as well as for GNS3 client. To install the GNS3 server, we are going to use VMware Fusion Pro for personal use. I will try to provide those links in the description section as well. Now let's hop over to the GNS3 website to download the client version. Here you can see you can go ahead and install this version for Mac, and we can use this GitHub link to download the GNS3 server version. So here for our download, we're going to use this GNS3 VM ARM64 2.2.48.1. From here, from Broadcom website, you can go ahead and download VMware Fusion 13 Pro for personal use. Once you download, then let's go ahead and open the VMware Fusion. Now we're going to show you how to install GNS3 server version in this VMware Fusion Pro 13. So let's go ahead and click on the add button, click on new, click on create a custom virtual machine, continue, use Ubuntu 64-bit ARM, then use an existing virtual disk, try to show disk 1, click on choose, click on continue, then click on the customize setting, try to rename your VM name. For me, I'm trying to write it down GNS3 VM_new, click on save, then click on processes and memory, click on add device once more time, click on existing hard disk, click on add, then from the download section you can go to your downloaded version and try to point out your disk number 2, click on open, click on apply, and once everything looks good to you, or you can go ahead and change your memory setting as well. I'll try to prefer to use 5120 MB. Once all looks good to you, go ahead and start the VM. Once you start it, you can see it is showing to run sudo GNS3 restore command. So let's go ahead and try to run this command. Here it's showing one error that init ram fs tools. So in order to recover from this error, we can go ahead and run this command: sudo apt remove init ram fs tools. Click on yes, then sudo apt clean, try to do reboot after that. Now try to rerun this same command again, sudo GNS3 restore. It will take a while. I will try to pause the video. Once you successfully restore GNS3 server, you can see this web UI. Before launching this web UI, we need to configure GNS3 VM so that our proper KVM setting has been configured. Click on OK, click on configure. Now let's go ahead and add a few more lines here. Enable KVM equal to false, enable hardware acceleration false, require hardware acceleration equal to false. Now click on Ctrl O to save it and Ctrl X to quit. Now we can go ahead and launch this web UI 192.168.31.130. Now we can go ahead and create a new project. Click on add blank project, rename is new one, click on add project. Now we are going to use Cisco iOS VL2 for Cisco switch. So click on add node, click on new template, new, then select install new appliance from the GNS3 server, click on next. Now I'm going to use iOS VL2, click on install. I'm going to use that 20200992.qcow2 version, click on import. You can select L2, click on open. Once it's successfully imported, click on create. It's already, for me, it's already showing, it's already created. So now go ahead and cancel it. Now you can go ahead and select your node from the Cisco iOS VL2. Now click on start. Now you can see it's successfully installed, and you can see from the web console as well, you can see it's going to install right now. Now we are going to show you how to install GNS3 client and access GNS3 server using GNS3 client. From GNS3 website, you can go ahead and download the GNS3 client. Once you installed successfully, you can go ahead and open the GNS3 software. Click on the new project name as new 3, whatever you like. Click on OK. Go to the GNS3 preference section. From there, go to the server. Then uncheck enable local server. The protocol will be HTTP. IP address will be the GNS3 VM IP, which is 192.168.31.130. Port will be 80. TCP. Authentication will be checked. User GNS3 and the password is GNS3 as well. Click on OK. Once you do that successfully, you can see in the right side panel in the server summary that main server is green. That means you are successfully connected to your GNS3 server. Now you can go ahead and click on your any installed software version, and then you can go ahead and use this. I hope this is helpful for you, and thank you for watching.